Have you noticed how much coding has changed lately? We are more than 3 years into this massive generative artificial intelligence boom. And guess what? Helping developers write code is still by far the most popular and profitable way this technology is being used. You might think the market is already crowded with big names, but investors are convinced there is plenty of room for another major player. Just the other day, a startup named Factory announced they raised $150 million, hitting a valuation of $1.5 billion. That is a massive milestone for a company that was only founded in 2023. Khosla Ventures led the round, and big players like Sequoia Capital, Insight Partners and Blackstone jumped in too. Keith Rabois from Khosla even joined their board. So why are they throwing so much money at Factory when we already have tools like Cursor or Cognition or Anthropic's Claude Code? According to Factory founder Matan Grinberg, their secret weapon is flexibility. Instead of being locked into one single foundation model, Factory's artificial intelligence agents can seamlessly switch between different models, like Anthropic's Claude or the Chinese model DeepSeek, depending on what the task needs. Sure, other startups like Cursor also use multiple models, but Factory is specifically targeting enterprise engineering teams, and they are already working with massive clients like Morgan Stanley, Ernst & Young, and Palo Alto networks. The backstory of how this company started is actually pretty incredible. Grinberg was a Doctor of Philosophy student at the University of California, Berkeley, when he decided to cold email Sequoia partner Sean McGuire. It turns out, McGuire has a doctorate from the California Institute of Technology in the exact same area of physics that Grinberg was studying. They completely hit it off over their shared academic background. McGuire actually convinced Grinberg to drop out of Berkeley and launch Factory, with Sequoia backing them right from the seed stage. It goes to show how sometimes a simple cold email and a shared interest can completely change the trajectory of your life. Now, they are sitting on a $1.5 billion valuation and building tools that could completely change how major corporations develop software. The real takeaway here is that enterprise software development is incredibly complex, and finding ways to automate even small parts of it saves companies massive amounts of time and money. Factory is trying to be the ultimate assistant for these massive engineering teams, handling the tedious stuff so human developers can focus on the big picture. With this new massive pile of cash, they are going to be hiring like crazy and pushing their product even further. It is a perfect example of how the artificial intelligence gold rush is maturing. We are moving past the simple chatbots and getting into highly specialized, highly valuable enterprise tools that integrate directly into the workflows of some of the biggest companies in the world.